Alright, today we're going to do a unboxing of the ERC's 14210 1/14 scale brushless RC, which can do upwards of 50 or more miles an hour. One thing that'll be exciting about this is today also came my Sky RC GSM 020 speedometer, GPS speedometer. So got that going. So let's get this going out. Okay. Oh, we're just gonna get right to it. Here, I was kind of going a little bit too far on these. Let's get the manual out. And then we got a caution. Oh, wait. Would it be Holy Stone or GRC if we didn't have one of these? Damn right it definitely wouldn't be. Well, that's fine then. Alright, let's get some things out of the way here. We got the user manual. Much thicker, better quality of manual than some of the other ones I've received from, so that's good. That, all the things we need to do. Now this one has, it goes, 30 or more miles an hour on the 2S LiPo batteries, but it will go over 50 with the 3S LiPo batteries, which are included. So, let's get this fucker out of there. Take a look at the car or truck or whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's take a look at this sucker. Where is my knife? I will stab things with my knife. Things with my knife, and I will get them with my knife. Okay. Look at this view. Now this guy here has the 45A ESC on it. Look, good looking little truck there. I mean, let's take a look with everything up with the shell off. Gotta be careful because I know that there are things that, oh yeah, so many things are going to connect this. Okay, I'll get to that a little bit here. Pretty cool. Alright, the shell coming off here. So, here we go with the receiver. Well, here's the ESC, your receiver, your servos over here. A lot of good metal parts, as you can see here. Which it's going to need them. You can see there, instead of the regular dog bones, look at that coming through. On the servo, I mean, not the dog bones. The dog bones are still, you know, they're metal. We got the oil-filled shocks. Here's the battery compartment. Comes with a double strap, so we have that going for us. We can add or remove the tail, the spoiler if we want to, but we don't want to, not yet. Alright, now get these things out. In these bags, we got the swamp tires. Let's open these up real quick. God, my Kershaw is getting so freaking Dole. So I cut everything with it. Oh, I dropped both the red. Oh well, that's fine. I'll find them. I see one right there on the ground. I see. Oh, I see the other. Okay. So these are the paddle tires for mud and sand and all that, and they got a real good feel to them. Side. All right. Let's take a look here. Get this going. Now, it's not going to be the most monumental unboxing because people have seen these before, but I like to do an unboxing before I do a review. And I also want to apologize, but I am going to skip over the 1611 review. It just didn't really hit for me. I don't know how to put it. So here we got the actual controller. I believe it's going to take whatever, how many it take. I don't know how many it will take, but you got the power switch here. Okay, you got off, 70% power, 100% power. You got your steering trim and your throttle trim. A little bit of it. So there you go. And right there, it's actually screwed in place. That's good. So we got that. What else do we have? We have the wheelie bar, which isn't really much of a wheelie bar on this one, but that's fine. So I guess it would just go right in here, I guess. Not really that big a deal, but okay. So that's that part. We have, oh God, what else did this come with? It came with extra parts, and the parts tend to break on this one. Let's see. That's not going to tell me what we got here. Okay, so in this part right here, we have all right. Now we got the tools. We got spare clips. And we got these for the front drive arms. We got the charger here, which is going to be a wow, it's just a 1.2 amp. Oh, okay, no, output, yeah, output's just 1.2 amp. Look at that. 1.2 amp. Oh, man. We got a nice chrome tire iron. Screwdriver, of course. 3 sizes of the of these Allen wrenches or hex wrenches, whatever you want to call them. That. All right. Next, clips and screws. The screws before, I can't remember. I was in the thing. Are these hex? Yeah, these are hex. Most of these screws are hex. You can see, well, not most of them, but a lot of them are. You know, there's hex right here, you know, hex on the fan. I'm gonna call it. Okay, now let's take a look at these batteries. Get this going. A sloppy unboxing indeed, but you know, that's why it's a live, blind unboxing. You know. Get the good with the bad, even if the bad's really bad. All right. It comes with 2 of these guys right here, which is who is it again? The Angry Snail or whatever. Yeah, Angry Snail. 3S 2000 milliamp, 25C. I wish it was more. I mean, you know, but we'll be able to get to it. On this sucker right here, when you have this going, from what I've been reading, okay, you gotta hit this 5 times, and you'll be able to get into that 50 mile an hour mode. But you can see here, we got the front, we got things. Well, we'll see exactly how I'm going to do this, but I have the SkyRC module, and we will be testing this thoroughly on that. So we have that, spare parts, the wheelie, that, and it's a good looking little car here. And real snug fit for the shell. Take one last good look at that. Look at that guy. And now we'll be doing it. As far as we got it here, we got all this extra stuff here that I'm going to be tossing. I don't save the boxes anymore. It's just ridiculous. They take up so much space. So, yes, I know. Oh, well, what if you're going to return it? Well, that's why I'm going to keep the boxes for now. But when I figure out the day that, you know, on which day I'm going to return it or keep it, then that's the day I'll otherwise reuse the box to send it back, or I'll throw the box away. All right, I will be coming to test this. I will be using 2000 milliamp 2S batteries from the 1611, and these 3S batteries from here, and we will be testing at speeds. See you in a bit.